Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to destination for the latest in-depth product reviews. Today, we're talking about a truly interesting innovation, the Shark AW302 HydroVac Cordless Pro XL 3-in-1 Vacuum, Mop, and Self-Cleaning System. It promises to vacuum, mop, and clean itself all in one go, offering a comprehensive solution for multi-surface cleaning. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Shark HydroVac Cordless Pro XL is a 3-in-1 cleaning machine that targets hard floors and area rugs with ease. The standout feature here is its combination of vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning, all bundled into a single device. The powerful suction pulls in dirt, debris, and wet messes, while the hydro mopping system ensures that your floors get a deep, streak-free clean. Whether you're dealing with spills, stains, or just daily grime, the HydroVac is designed to make the process as efficient as possible. When it comes to versatility, this model doesn't disappoint. It's engineered for all sealed hard floors, including hardwood, tile, marble, and laminate, and even tackles area rugs, ensuring that no surface is left behind. With its unique design, it uses a self-cleaning Brushrolls system to prevent dirt from being redeposited while you clean. This feature alone is a game changer, especially for households with pets, or anyone who wants to maintain a fresh, odor-free home. The Brushrolls odor-preventing technology adds another layer of cleanliness, which is an important consideration for pet owners. One of the HydroVac's biggest selling points is its odor-eliminating technology. With Shark's multi-surface concentrate, the HydroVac instantly neutralizes odors as it cleans, preventing unpleasant smells from reforming. If you have pets, this is a real blessing. It removes both dirt and pet odors without leaving any trace behind. The cleaning solution is designed for maximum effectiveness, especially on areas where dirt and odor tend to linger, like rugs and floors with high foot traffic. In terms of functionality, the HydroVac is easy to maintain. Its smart design features a dirty water tank with debris filtration technology that separates solids from liquids, making the emptying process quick and straightforward. After each use, simply dock the HydroVac, activate the self-cleaning mode, and you're ready for the next round of cleaning. This convenient self-cleaning system ensures the brush roll remains free of buildup, preventing any unpleasant smells or reduced cleaning performance. Now, let's talk about usability. The HydroVac is cordless, which gives you the freedom to move from room to room without being tethered to an outlet. The LED display on the unit makes it easy to transition between different floor types with the touch of a button, and it provides real-time indicators for battery life, surface type, and tank levels, so you're never left in the dark about its status. The clean tank is generously sized, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without the need to stop and refill. It's clear that Shark has designed this machine with convenience and efficiency in mind. On the performance front, the HydroVac delivers. Its suction power is impressive for a cordless device, making it more than capable of picking up dust, dirt, and debris from a variety of floor types. The hydro mopping feature further elevates the cleaning process by ensuring that the floors dry almost instantly, so you're not left waiting around for the floor to dry. Whether you're cleaning fine dust on hardwood or lifting embedded dirt from area rugs, this vacuum mop hybrid proves to be highly effective. That said, there are a few areas to consider. While the cordless design is incredibly convenient, it also means that the battery life is limited. If you have a large home or plan to clean multiple rooms at once, the battery may run low before you're finished. Additionally, although the HydroVac does an excellent job on hard floors, its performance on deeper carpets or rugs may not match up to traditional vacuums with higher suction power. This is something to keep in mind depending on your specific cleaning needs. The HydroVac's build quality is solid. It feels durable, and the materials used are a step above what you might find in some budget models. The tank design and handle are ergonomic, making it comfortable to use during extended cleaning sessions. That said, the size of the device can be a bit bulky for tight spaces or awkward corners, which may affect maneuverability in smaller areas. In terms of value, the Shark HydroVac Cordless Pro XL is positioned as a mid to high-end product, and the price reflects that. For its multi-surface cleaning abilities, self-cleaning system, and odor-eliminating features, It's a solid investment for households that need versatility and convenience. It's especially beneficial for those who deal with pet hair, spills, or a variety of messes. However, if you're looking for a vacuum that excels specifically on thick carpets or large area rugs, there may be other models better suited for those needs. Let's quickly compare this to a few alternatives. For example, the Dyson V15 Detect, which offers strong suction and advanced filtration, could be a competitor in terms of vacuum performance, but it doesn't have the added functionality of a mop or the odor-eliminating features of the HydroVac. Another competitor, the Tineco iFloor 3, also combines vacuuming and mopping in one device, but it doesn't quite match the HydroVac's cleaning power or self-cleaning capabilities. Overall, the Shark HydroVac Cordless Pro XL stands out as an efficient, versatile cleaning solution that makes maintaining your floors easier than ever. While it may not be the best choice for deep carpet cleaning or larger homes with multiple rooms, it excels in its intended role of providing a quick, effective solution for hard floors and area rugs. With its self-cleaning system, odor-neutralizing technology, and multi-surface capabilities, it's a worthy contender for anyone looking for an all-in-one floor care tool. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights on the latest home tech. If you have any experiences or questions about the Shark HydroVac, feel free to drop them in the comments. See you next time, and remember, a clean home is just a vac away.